Honorable members, I have a reference from the chair, please. Just a minute. Tomorrow, the 10th of December, marks the anniversary of the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in the year 1948. The day is celebrated the world over as Human Rights Day. This milestone document, which for the first time laid out the universal protection of fundamental human rights for all, remains as much relevant today and will remain so forever. The focus this year is on the theme, Stand Up for Someone's Right Today, which is based on the fundamental proposition of the Declaration that each one of us, everywhere and at all times, is entitled to the full range of human rights, and that each and every one of us has the responsibility to uphold them. This theme is all the more relevant in today's global scenario, wherein the risk of discrimination and violence looms large on the right of indigenous races, persons with disabilities, refugees, migrant workers, women, children, etc. We, as a nation, have always cherished the value of equality, non-discrimination, fairness and freedom of all human beings, and have stood for peace and harmony amongst all. We have an abiding commitment towards protection and promotion of human rights, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, and gender. On this occasion, let us rededicate ourselves to our commitment to the ideals and principles of the Declaration of Human Rights. Honorable members, the 13th of December 2016 marks the 15th anniversary of the dastardly attack on Parliament House by terrorists. On this occasion, we recall the brave deeds of our security personnel, including 2 persons from the Parliament Security Service of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, 5 Delhi Police personnel, and a woman constable of the Central Police Reserve Force who laid down their lives while preventing entry of terrorists inside the Parliament House building. A gardener of the CPWD and a camera person of ANI also lost their lives in the attack. The House joins me in paying homage to the selfless sacrifice of these persons and their dedication and devotion to duty. The occasion calls for unequivocal condemnation of growing menace of terrorism not only in our country but across the world, and the need for committed and concerted efforts to wipe out this scourge forever. We also reiterate our firm resolve to fight terrorism with determination and rededicate ourselves to protect the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of those who lost their lives in that tragedy. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Ram Vilas Paswan.
No, Shri Manoj Sinha, let me finish a formal item, then I will call you. Actually, I will give it. Shri Manoj Sinha.
दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Let me finish. Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 3 in the today's revised list of the business.
Shri Rajan Bokhian.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Parshottam Rupala.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, मैं सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले कागजात के संबंध में आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 5 से 5(2) तक उल्लेखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Shri Jayant Sinha. Jayant Sinha. Shri Jayant Sinha.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the documents as mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in the revised list of business for today.
Shri Hansraj Gangaram Akhir.
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष जी, माननीय खाद्य संस्करण उद्योग राज्य मंत्री साध्वी निरंजन ज्योति की तरफ से आज दिनांक 9/12/2016 के संशोधित कार्यसूची के उल्लिखित क्रम संख्या 7 के दस्तावेजों की आपकी अनुमति से मैं सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Shri Ajay Tamta.
महोदय, मैं क्रम संख्या 8 पर उल्लेखित नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित कागज को आज की कार्यसूची की संशोधित सूची के अनुसार सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
Mansukal Mandavia.
चलते ही गुजरात का दबदबा है, आपको भी इसका गौरव होना चाहिए।
Serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Sia Chowdhury.
Chairman sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 10 of today's revised list of business.
Thank you. Shri P.P. Chowdhury. Shri P.P. Chowdhury.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 11 of the revised list of business for today.
Now messages from the Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 8th of December 2016 passed 1. The appropriation number 4 Bill 2016 and 2. The appropriation number 5 Bill 2016. The Speaker has certified that these bills are money bills within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy each of the bills on the table.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sri Narayan L. Pancharia.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लेखित रासायन एवं उर्वरक संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति 2016-17 के 2 प्रतिवेदन सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Now statement by Minister Sri Ram Vilas Paswan.
Sir, I want to make a statement regarding the status of implementations of the recommendations continued in the 11th report of the Department relating to the Parliamentary Standing Committee Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution for the grant of 2016-17 pertaining to the Department of Consumer Affairs.
Sri Jay Sinha.
Commission arise to lay a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 218 report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demands for grants 2015-16 pertaining to the Ministry of Civil Aviation. The status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 230th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on the issue related to security at airports in India. The status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 231st report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee pertaining to demands of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, and then the 238th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee with the observations, recommendations contained in the 231st report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Civil Aviation.
Thank you. Sri Arjun Ram Meghawal.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. On behalf of my senior colleague, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 29th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance on demand for grants pertaining to the Ministry of Finance. Thank you.
Thank you. Statement regarding government business, Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce the government business for remaining part of the session will consist. The consideration of any item government business carryover from the today's order paper consists. Right of Persons with Disability Bill 2014, Taxation Law Second Amendment Bill 2016 as passed by the Lok Sabha, HIV Prevention and Control Bill 2014, Implied Compensation Amendment Bill 2016, consideration and passing of the Enemy Property Amendment Bill 2016 as passed by the Lok Sabha and reported by the Select Committee, consideration and passing of the Prevention of Corruption Amendment Bill 2013, further consideration and passing of the Whistleblower Protection Amendment Bill 2015, consideration and passing of the following bill as they are passed by the Lok Sabha: Amnesty, Jurisdiction and Settlement Marine Claim Bill 2016, Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2016, National Institute of Technology, Science, Education and Research Second Amendment Bill 2016, Constitution and following bill as passed by the Lok Sabha: Appropriation Bill number 4, 2016, Appropriation number 5, 2016.
Oh yes, yes.
You please permit me.
Yeah, I permit you.
एक मिनट
You are
यार,
given.
is permitted. Hello. एक मिनट यार, is permitted me. My
Yes,
notice.
HOD is permitted.
My HOD is speaking.
Because-
Please wait.
Yes, because he has given a two. Sit down, sit down. He has given 267 notice. I am permitting
Sir,
him to
I
say
have
it.
given a notice.
I am only allowing to explain it.
Yes. I have given a notice under 267. I am requesting you to accept it. Why? The notice is on the fact government has decided to reduce the import duty on wheat to 0. It is a shame. 50 years after the Green Revolution and food self-sufficiency, we have come to a situation where we are ruining the Indian farmer and allowing big multinational corporations to rake in massive super profits. And sir, this has come in the wake of this demonetization, where the Indian farmer is being starved of cash to buy, to harvest and complete his agricultural operations properly. He has to make a distress sale of his wheat produce. They are not paying the MSP. They are selling it at half the price, 700 to 800 a quintal, when the MSP is 1541. They are ruining the Indian Annadata, and this is something that cannot be acceptable. So we want this government. They are afraid because of this demonetization. There may be food riots. In order to prevent that, they are allowing these sort of zero duty imports, which is shameful for the country. And this is something I strongly condemn. I think this should be discussed. A proper discussion should be made.
Okay, that's all. All right, you made a point.
Sir,
What
sir, when the chair gives permission to a member to speak,
raise
all
his-
members are expected then to respect that decision of the chair.
Members from both sides.
Gave him the permission and they start giving
both sides. Here
This
also
is
they are doing.
unacceptable.
Both sides.
This is unacceptable.
Both sides.
No, we are not.
It is
charging.
applicable to both sides.
I am seeking your permission.
Yeah, I allowed you. But what I am...
Yesterday...
One second. No, treasury benches, please. Treasury benches, please. Treasury benches, don't do this. Don't do this, sit down. Treasury benches, sit down. Treasury benches, sit down.
किसानों
No,
की बात
I will allow you.
करते
Anand Sharma ji. Sit down, I will allow you. Say, Anand Sharma ji.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir.
I am coming to you. Now, HOD ji, sit down. HOD ji, बैठिए you. Mr. HOD, sit down. Mr. HOD, sit. Now, Anand Sharma ji, what you said is very correct. That when the chair permits someone to speak, others should keep quiet, at least listen to that. I allowed Sri Yachuri 267 to raise his point. I have not allowed the 267 motion to be moved. But not only the trustee benches, your own people were also disturbing. It is applicable to both. Applicable to both. No, you completed. No, it is over.
Sir.
It is over.
ये अन्नदाता आज कैश नहीं मिल रहा, ना बीज खरीद सकते, ना अनाज बेच सकते वो न्यूनतम दाम पे, उसको बेचना पड़ा
your point is on import
तो इसलिए आज इस तरीके का कदम जो सरकार उठाया वो हमारे देश के खिलाफ है, किसानों के खिलाफ है, ये एक देशभक्ति नहीं है, ये देशद्रोही है और ये आपको स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा।
I am not allowing to move it. You have made your point. Government can examine it, but I am not allowing you to move it the motion. Yeah. Sit down. क्या है आपका?
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष जी, अभी सरकार ने जो येचुरी जी ने कहा है, हम उससे सहमत हैं। सरकार ने 10% import duty खत्म कर दिया।
No, that is not permitted. Hussain, put it down. Hussain, please.
उसका नतीजा ये होगा।
You put it down. Don't do that. I'll call you. Sit down. After this, after him, I'll call you. Sit down.
उसका नतीजा ये होगा।
Yeah. Sit down. Sit down.
ये होगा कि जो भारत के किसान हैं, उनका कोई खरीदने वाला नहीं होगा। और ये सरकार किसानों की बात करती है, और किसान की हालत ये है कि नोटबंदी की वजह से वो कोई सामान खरीद नहीं पा रहा है, न बीज खरीद पा रहा है, न खाद खरीद पा रहा है। ऐसी हालत में हालत इतना गंभीर हो गया है कि जब गेहूं पैदा होगा तो गेहूं मिट्टी के भाव बिकेगा। ऐसी हालत में सरकार ने जानबूझ के ये इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी किया है।
ठीक है,
मैं इसका निंदा करता हूँ और
भर्त्सना। Now, honorable members, I have an announcement to make. Now, please listen. I have an announcement to make. We have with us, seated in the special box, member of a parliamentary delegation from Vietnam, currently on a visit to our country under the distinguished leadership of Her Excellency Mrs. Nguyen Thi Kim Nhan, President of the National Assembly of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. On behalf of the members of the House and on my own behalf, I take pleasure in extending a hearty welcome to the leader of the other members of the delegation and wish our distinguished guests an enjoyable and fruitful stay in our country. We hope that their visit to our country will further strengthen the friendly bonds that exist between India and Vietnam. Through them, we convey our greetings and best wishes to the Parliament and the friendly people of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. No, I will allow you. No, Kumari ji, I already promised to Mr. Yadav, let him say, after that I will call you. I already promised him. After him, I will allow you also. Yeah.
Sir, my point of order is, सर विपक्ष ने 267 में डीमोनेटाइजेशन पे नोटिस दिया, इस सदन ने उसको स्वीकार किया, सरकार ने स्वीकार किया, चर्चा शुरू हुई। एक सुन लो ना,
सुनिए
शेखर जी, सुन लो।
Listen to that also.
मेरा ये कहना है कि जब एक नोटिस पे जो सीताराम येचुरी जी ने दिया, जब एक नोटिस पे चर्चा पूरी नहीं करी है, ऐसे में दूसरा नोटिस देके
इसलिए मैं अलाउ नहीं किया।
सर ये उचित नहीं है, आपको
इसलिए मैं अलाउ नहीं किया।
आपको इस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए। जब मेरा एक नोटिस पेंडिंग है तो दूसरा नोटिस में कैसे दे सकता हूं?
ये ठीक है,
एक नोटिस कंसीडरेशन में मेरा है।
ये सुनिए,
पहले इस पे रूलिंग दीजिए, कोई प्रेसिडेंट
रूलिंग देगा। बैठिए
हाउस का कोई प्रेसिडेंट होगा,
समझ गया?
यस सर,
रूलिंग हो जाएगा। बैठिए मैं रूलिंग देता है कि एक नोटिस पेंडिंग है, इसलिए मैं मोशन अलाउ नहीं किया है, भाई ये अच्छा। ओके, कुमारी मायावती जी, नो
मेंशन कर रहे
हैं, that is already there,
अनुमति दिया,
that is already there. There is a difference. I don't know. Please understand. Yeah, I will explain it. Please understand. I will allow you. Sit down. You sit down. Please see. I will explain the delicate difference. Number one, I did not allow the motion to be moved. That is what I said. But I allowed you to speak and raise the matter. After hearing you, I said I am not allowing the motion to be moved, but I also observed that the government may examine it. I also said that. Okay, please sit down. Yes, Kumari Mayawati ji. Kumari Mayawati ji.
सभापति जी।
Yeah.
मान्य सभापति।
Okay, Minister. Let me allow Minister.
पहले मेरी बात सुन
लीजिए। No. Minister, listen to Minister. I will call you. Okay. I don't want this fight between you two. बोलिए।
मिस्टर याचुरी ने जो मामला उठाया है, उससे हमारी पार्टी बिल्कुल सहमत है। ये किसानों के हित का मामला है और मैं समझती हूँ कि सरकार को ये जल्दबाजी में ये जो इन्होंने डिसीजन लिया है वो ठीक नहीं है। बड़े बड़े पूंजीपतियों धरना सेठों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए इन्होंने डिसीजन लिया, किसानों के हित के लिए डिसीजन नहीं लिया है। सरकार की जिम्मेवारी बनते ये जो फैसला लिया है। और माननीय सभापति जी, जो आपने कहा है कि सरकार को इसको एग्जामिन करना चाहिए, इसको एग्जामिन करके दोबारा इसको पुनर्विचार करना चाहिए, नहीं तो किसानों का बड़ा भारी नुकसान होगा।
ओके, पासवान जी विल रिएक्ट ऑन दिस। मिस्टर मिनिस्टर पासवान जी,
हमारे पास में
इसके बारे में कुछ बोलना है तो बोलिए।
हमारे पास में गेहूं की कोई कमी नहीं है, लेकिन सुनिए सुनिए
सुनिए सुनिए
सुनिए,
अरे सुनिए, आप सुनिए बुलाएगा
सर,
आप सुनिए,
लेकिन कंज्यूम, अब सुनने कहिए तो
अरे सुनिए, sit down, I will allow you, I will give you a chance also, सुनिए, बोलिए,
लेकिन
अरे 1 second, you raise the matter and the minister reacting, you are not listening, sit down, अरे सुनिए, पहले सुनिए, you see, you can reply after hearing to him, सुनिए, you listen to the minister, yes, I allowed him before that, sit down, no, sit down,
सर,
मिनिस्टर
सर, लेकिन कंज्यूमर मिनिस्टर के हैसियत से, उपभोक्ता मंत्री के हैसियत से हम कहना चाहते हैं कि जब भी किसी चीज का दाम बढ़ता है, अपोजिशन के तरफ से हल्ला होना शुरू हो जाता है। हमने देखा है कि पिछले कुछ दिनों में जो गेहूं की कमी नहीं है, लेकिन गेहूं के दाम में कुछ वृद्धि के आसार होने लगे हैं, और इसलिए एहतियाती तौर पर कंज्यूमर के दृष्टिकोण से हमने ये फैसला लिया है, और ये फैसला कोई परमानेंट नहीं है।
ओके, दैट इज द पॉइंट, यस, शरद यादव जी, शरद यादव जी,
बंदी के वजह से दाम बढ़ रहा है।
No, he said as a food minister, he said there is no shortage. That is what he said. Why are you worried about that?
Why is the price rising?
You should not be worried about that. You should be happy when he says that there is enough food grain. Why should you fight over that?
That's because of the demonetization.
No,
the
that's
price is going up.
Okay, Sharad Yadav ji.
Getting ruined.
Sharad Yadav ji.
सर, मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार से विनती करना चाहता हूँ, ये मामला बहुत गंभीर है। दुनिया में वीट के दाम घट गए हैं, और सरकार के फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से ही आया है। जो कंज्यूमर डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से बोल रहे हैं रामविलास जी, मैं सरकार से कहना चाहता हूँ कि नोटबंदी के चलते जो धान है उसके दाम बुरी तरह से गिर गए, और ये जो आपने कहा है 10% आपने जो ठीक किया था काम, वो 0% पे आप ला रहे हैं। 2 फसलें इस देश में सबसे ज़्यादा होती हैं, गेहूं की और धान की, और गेहूं के मामले में हमारे पास सफिशिएंट स्टॉक है। अभी कंज्यूमर मिनिस्टर, फूड मिनिस्टर ने कहा। मैं आपसे, आपके माध्यम से सरकार से कहना चाहता हूँ, ये गंभीर मामला, इसको वापस करिए, और कोई ऐसा संकट नहीं है। अभी संकट जो आप खुद ही कह रहे हैं कि सरकार को इस मामले में किसानों का मामला है, क्यों बाहर के किसान को आप बाहर का वीट लाना चाहते हैं? हमने चाहते हैं
सर जी बैठे,
हमारे किसान को मनवाने की बात है।
सर थैंक यू डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन सर,
थैंक यू डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन सर। Sir, the Honorable Minister, the issue is not buffer stock of wheat. The issue is of production of wheat and incentives to farmers. So his answer, his response is completely irrelevant as far as the issue is concerned. If the buffer stock,
he only said that he has got enough stock. That is only information.
Is so high.
That is the information. You should be happy over that.
Let me speak. I have a right to speak. Sir, if the buffer stock is so high, why are the import duties being reduced to zero? You have complete, perfect soil and moisture conditions. You've had a good monsoon. There was an expectation of a bumper harvest. And in these conditions, you reduce the import duty to zero. Why? Companies from America, from France, from Russia, and from Ukraine will benefit. And the Indian farmer who is celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Green Revolution, is not going to have any incentive to produce wheat any longer. So this is complete slap on the face of Indian agriculture. When the Green Revolution is marking its 50th anniversary, you have reduced the import duty to zero. The farmer has no cash for pesticides, the farmer has no cash for fertilizer, and you are telling the farmer, forget you, I'm going to import the wheat. This is not Swadeshi, sir.
Yes,
this is Videshi Jagran.
Yes, what do you have to
This is Videshi Uthan.
No, sit down. Sugandhar
Videshi Uthan.
Roy,
This is
Sugandhar Roy.
anti-farmer. And if there is
Sugandhar Sir Roy.
What?
Sugandhar Sagar Roy.
Sir, while I shared the
Sugandhar Sagar Roy.
While I shared the agony and anguish expressed by the honorable members on this issue, I would also request the chair to another issue to take the sense of the House whether obituary reference should be made for the 111 people killed in the queue before the ATMs and banks. Take the sense of the House. Kindly take sense the House whether there should be obituary reference or not. Whether the dead should be mourned or not. Even yesterday, one lady, she was pushed from the queue in front of bank in Rajasthan and she died. So this way 111 people have lost their lives after the announcements of demonetization in different parts of the country. We are having a list of the people. We can submit the list state-wise. Therefore, I would ask you to take the sense of the House.
You made your
Kindly
point.
take sense of the House.
Smriti Irani. Honorable Minister Smriti Irani. Honorable Minister Smriti.
Aware that the nation wants a functional house, a house that works within the realm of the laws as prescribed by the chair, by the Constitution. You have been gracious enough to hear every member in their appeal to the Honorable Chair. My question to you, sir, is this. Though you have indicated from the chair that a debate is not to ensue, why is it that these comments tantamount to the ensuing of a debate? If we are to go forward with the matters which the House has so decided as the business of the day, then I think it would be extremely productive, sir, given that the Honourable Minister has already allied the fears, that we begin with the business of the House, sir.
Gopala, please, sit down.
Rather than have a
This is
debate.
our time. Gopala, please.
Thank you, sir.
Zero over is our time. Gopala. Yes.
जो येचूरी जी ने जो मुद्दा उठाया और शरद जी ने जो बताया, उसकी एक बात शरद जी ने जो बताई वो सही है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मार्केट में अब गेहूं के दाम बहुत कम हो गए और यहाँ हमारे जो फूड मिनिस्टर्स ने बताया कि जो आसार बढ़ रहे थे इसके चलते इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी जीरो करने का डिसीजन सरकार ने लिया है। मैं किसानों की ओर से हमारे पूरे सदन के सभी साथियों को और देश के किसानों को आश्वस्त करना चाहूँगा कि हमारी सरकार की जो व्यवस्थाएं हैं कि मार्केट इंटरवेंशन से जब भी किसानों का माल अब एमएसपी के नीचे चले जाते हैं तो हम मार्केट इंटरवेंशन करेंगे। मार्केट इंटरवेंशन करने की आवश्यकता पड़ने पर सरकार सभी चीज़ों की खरीदारी अभी भी कर रहे हैं। एक मिनट और ये कोई स्थायी निर्णय नहीं है। ये जरूरत पड़ेगी देश के किसानों के हित में जरूरत पड़ेगी पुनर्विचार भी करेंगे।
Sit down. All of you sit down. Zero over. Sri Subbarama Reddy. 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 Not in zero over. Subbarama Reddy. Not in zero over. Go. Your zero over. Go and make your. Go and make your zero over. I am calling you. What are you doing? Subbarama Reddy, your zero over. KK Rakesh, your zero over. I am allowing your zero over. विवेक गुप्ता, जीरो ओवर. विवेक गुप्ता कहाँ है? जीरो ओवर. Go on, take. I am allowing you. I am allowing you. Subbarama Reddy, you are given notice. Zero over. You can go on side. KK Rakesh, I am allowing zero over. You can go and make if you want. Vivek Gupta. Yes, you don't want. Zero over. You go and make your zero over. House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours.